When you hear the yellow rose of Texas, you know you're tuned to Texas Radio Shortwave. We're broadcasting over Channel 292, Rohrbach, Germany, with a special treat. An hour of music and talk by Swedish pirate station Radio Igloo. If you'd like to verify that you heard this program, you can get 2 QSLs if you send us a correct, detailed reception report and 1 to Radio Igloo. Our email is texasradioshortwave@protonmail.com, and Radio Igloo's is radioigloo@gmail.com. Igloo is spelled with 2 O's. We welcome reports from listeners using remote receivers, usually called SDRs. Radio Igloo begins its program with the shortwave interval signal used by the former Radio Sweden.